Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones Sony Link Buds. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case and open it again. After that, press and hold connection button at the back for at least 15 seconds, until you can see that LED light starts flashing orange. Here we go. Now close the case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. After that, press pair new device if you have Android, and then press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now click on your headphones, the list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!